Hello guys, so we're gonna play some more GTA race today. It's called Roller Coasters something. I think it's Roller Coaster Beast or something. I just can't pick entity here, so let's pick it. Oh my god, no. There you go. Let's do this. Yep, it's Roller Coaster Beast. We're gonna blow him up in this race. I'm hosting this job, so I put GTA. Gonna kill that dude right there. I think he knows how to get a booster. Oh, there's. Oh, we have to come back. Oh, I got it. Oh no, I missed the sticky bombs. There it is. Nah. Oh my. Okay. He went to the wrong way. And he's trying to come here now. No! No! I need a brand new car to do that thing. Let's do this again. Damn it, he's gonna make it first try. First freaking try. What the heck? Oh, this. No! He made it! He made it! Oh my god, how? He made it first try. Come on, let me make this time. Let me make this time. There you go. Now I'm gonna make it. No, got a checkpoint. Yes, I got a checkpoint. I got it. We had to go pretty fast over there. That's why. Otherwise, I put a mine there. I'm gonna get there, explode at one time, and I'll catch up. He's still here. Oh, had to get all the way over there and then here. I like the ramps, like it's too big and stuff. It's awesome. Let's go do this again. Oh, we're still on lap 1. Okay. I think there's lap 2. Yep. Let's get sticky bombs. Oh, he made it already again? What? Did I blow up with my mine? How? How did he dodge my mine and he made it already again? No way. How did I blow up with my mine over here? Did he dodge it or something? Did he really dodge it? What the heck with my mine? Shoot. He dodged my freaking mine. I'm getting a DNF now. I thought I'm gonna catch up and he's gonna blow up with my mine. No way. See, he finished it. Now it's gonna get hard for me. I'm not gonna be able to finish it now. Because the finish line is all over there. Come on, let's go to the finish line. Where are you, finish line? I don't think so. I'm gonna finish it now. Cause it's too late. I got a DNF. No. It's locked already. He's pretty good at racing. At the booster. Let's go. Ow! Make his first try. Let's go make his first try. don't matter. What the heck? How did it blew up? How the hell I blew it up? No. Oh yeah, I still got a checkpoint, so never mind. No worries. I thought the checkpoint was all over there. Be quiet. This time I'm not gonna talk. He just all the time hear my all ideas and then follow them. If your mind's down, it's not gonna activate. Come right behind him. Right behind him. Aha! Son, that's what you get. Then make it first try again. And give that. Do the DNF. No! No way! Oh, I still got a checkpoint. Did I? I don't know. I don't think so. Yup, I did. No, come back here. I said come back here. Come back here, I said. Can you not hear me? I said come back here, okay? So follow my directions. Come back here. Finish line. Okay, you threw a sticky bomb there. Okay. I did not blow up with my mind again, man.